Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our special story about bedtime. Today we're going to learn why sleeping on time is so important for you. This is Timmy, a child just like you. Look at his colorful bedroom with all his favorite toys. It's getting late in the evening, and the clock shows it's almost bedtime. Oh no, Timmy wants to keep playing with his toys instead of going to bed. See how tired he looks? His eyes are droopy and he keeps yawning. Staying up late makes us very sleepy. The next day, Timmy is too tired to have fun. He can't play properly and keeps yawning all day long. This doesn't feel good at all. Tonight, Timmy decides to go to bed on time. He puts on his cozy pajamas with a big smile. He's excited about getting a good night's sleep. Now Timmy is sleeping peacefully, having the sweetest dreams with stars twinkling all around him. Good sleep feels so comfortable and restful. Look at Timmy now. He wakes up feeling amazing, full of energy, and ready to play. Sleeping on time made all the difference. Remember, going to bed on time helps you grow strong, play better, and feel happy every day. Good night, everyone. Sleep tight.